Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain speaking. We are currently at our cruising altitude of 35,000 feet. We'll be expecting a little turbulence for the next couple of minutes, so please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened.
Chauma for change, nguvu ya taifa.
Chauma for change, nguvu ya taifa.
Oya, chauma for change, nguvu ya taifa.
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 Maanisha kukomboza taifa hili. Pili, tuna viongozi mahili wanadumisha chama chetu hodari. Hashim